Hello, and we're back for a long overdue update. So before I get into the video, I'd like to say thank you to driver for this face mask. If you need some automotive inspired face masks and apparel, check them out. So let's get into the video. Some updates. So we now have a manifold for the turbo, and then we're doing some piping for the intercooler. So as you see, the intercooler is here up to here. That's a huge intercooler. Some piping works here, and then we got a kit from Boost Garage. So we had an issue on the automatic headlights, and we have no choice but to get this kit. So this is the manual pop-up kit from Boost Garage from the US. Supposedly you need to put it here, somewhere there, and then it will just lock the headlights up and down. So yeah, simple is better. We're doing some more fabrication on the wiring, and I think we're pretty close to getting it all sorted out. So here's how she looks like now, with one eye open. I also got some new headlight lamps from Only 944 with LED retrofit kit. So a common problem for the old headlights is that the beam or the brightness is weak, so it's hard to see. So let's see if the new ones will have better output. Let's have a closer look at the piping. There. And then the next step is to build a screamer pipe from here, going down, and hopefully it will make glorious sounds. Let's see. I also got a chin, so it just arrived, and we will be fitting that once everything is done already. So we want to avoid breaking stuff. So that's it for today. Please subscribe to follow the build. If you need some awesome caps, you can get one at Uber Work Auto Salon. So pretty cool, right? So yeah, thanks for watching.